Today I'm going to show you a brief overview of Savartus SOPHIA, an AI-enabled unified data interface for storage and a key component of our Active Archive solution portfolio. Before we jump into the demo, it's important to set the context around active data archives and the important role SOPHIA plays in this model. An active data archive is a repository for data that's not accessed often but is still valuable. Active archives are designed to be accessible quickly and efficiently and are useful for businesses that rely on historical data analysis to inform strategic decisions or to help them meet stringent data retention and compliance mandates. Other key benefits include reduced energy consumption and reduced storage costs. Active archives may use a combination of storage technologies, including cloud, disk, tape, flash, and optical. Software is used to manage and move data between storage tiers and to efficiently search and retrieve data. This is where SOPHIA fits into the equation and provides significant value. Now on to our demo. This is our login screen. Now this instance is set up with a username and password login. We do support single sign-on, Active Directory linkage, multi-factor authentication, and all of the basics that are required in today's world. Once logged in, the user is faced with their home screen. This screen is designed to be frequently updated by the user to match their current workflow needs. You can see I've got a few simple links here to various collections and directories. And as I mouse over, you can see that a trash icon pops up, so I can easily remove items from this window, and adding additional items can be done from almost anywhere else within the software, so that the tasks that you are currently working on are always close at hand. If we click over to the Assets tab, we'll see where a lot of the functionality of SOPHIA comes into play. On the left-hand side of the window, you'll see the navigation pane, where the user can switch between the different data repositories that SOPHIA is managing. Below that, we see the file hierarchy located in that repository. On the main panel, we have a search bar top and center, so easy and quick searching is always close at hand. Below that, we see a preview of the assets that are in the currently selected folder in the repository. If we click on a data asset, we see a preview of the file in question. We see metadata tags that are associated with this file in the panel on the right. This first tab contains the AI-generated labels and object identification. Several AI models are available to be used, as we have taken a modular approach, enabling you to leverage any and all AI models that best align to your organization's needs. In this case, we're using Google Vision AI object labeling to generate different keywords that could be used to locate this or similar files in the future, including the landmark where the photo was taken in the first place. The Asset Data tab shows some more details about when the file was contributed, who contributed it, its current access state, and its status. Down below, we have a metadata report that goes into even more detail about the file. In the case of this photograph, we extract all of the embedded EXIF metadata from the file in question and can learn quite a bit more about how the photo was taken using what technology. To the right, we have a number of different download options, including an easy link to download the original file as it was uploaded. To the right, we have a number of different download options, including an easy link to download the original file as it was uploaded, and a number of transforms that are dynamically created based on rules set for the repository and file type in question. In this case, we have a high-resolution print, a low-resolution print, and a screen resolution for web usage that were automatically generated when the file was ingested. We provide automatic transformations based on workflows for several different file types, not just images, but documents, audio, and video files as well. In the case of this file, we also have the location data that can be extracted. You can see where this photo was taken in the first place. In addition to all of this data, we have a number of tools along the bottom. First and foremost, we can add or remove this file from our current collection. A collection in SOPHIA allows a user to easily group files together temporarily or permanently for project work as well as for ease of collaboration and sharing both internally and externally. Speaking of sharing, the next tool is our share function, where we can generate an email or a link to be sent to via other communication methods. These links can be open or restricted. They can have an expiration date, and we can require a password to access the asset. SOPHIA also allows users to send what we call an upload share. And this allows a user to send a link to someone outside of their organization and gives them an invitation to upload files into a repository directory. Again, we can set an expiration date on the link, and we can require a password. As we move along the toolbar, we have an edit function, which allows for rotating of the previews, as well as changing the status of the file in its workflow, or changing the access level of the file. And these, like the other tools in SOPHIA, are configurable based on your organizational needs. We also have access to the metadata fields and tags below, where the extracted or manually entered metadata tags can be added, removed, or changed. Here, we can mark the file for deletion. We can view the alternate files that are linked to this file. So if you had a grouping of files, for example a Excel sheet published in multiple languages, they could all be linked together under the same asset within the system. The file can be locked or unlocked, and we can also view the complete audit log of everything that has been created about this file from the moment it was entered into the system until the present time, including everything that has been done by the system to generate alternative versions of the file and every bit of extracted metadata. In addition to the quick search on the main assets page, we also have an advanced search function, which offers the same global keyword search that was available before, but also allows the user to search or filter by uploader, asset type, asset status, or any of the individual metadata fields. And as you can see, as we select or deselect different options or add additional keyword filters, the number of matching results updates in real time, making it very quick to reduce an extremely large library to just the few files that the user is looking for. Uploading assets into SOPHIA is as simple as dragging and dropping into the navigation pane, which can be done in Windows Explorer or OS X Finder. We also have a batch upload function that allows a user to upload a group of files so that they are linked together, but also can have manually edited meta tags for bits of information that need to be associated with the files that cannot be automatically extracted from the contents or its embedded data. When a file is uploaded into SOPHIA, it is added to the Managed SOPHIA Data Repository, whether that is located in the cloud, on the network, or a local drive, or any other storage technology. No further changes are made to the file itself, and it remains completely unaltered. Any additional transformations, edits, metadata additions, or extractions are all kept in a linked but separate SQL database. Feature access and visibility is configurable down to the user level. You can even change the branding depending on the user's profile and their work group. We offer an optional add-on called Global Sync that allows the end user to select a file or group of files either manually or dynamically that are to be synchronized to their local workstation. A small application running in the background on their Windows or Mac-based workstation copies the file out of the SOPHIA repository to their local workstation, where they can then open it locally in its native application, make whatever changes are needed, and any changes that are saved to their local workstation are then synchronized back to the SOPHIA repository. When they are done actively working on a file, they can then deselect it for synchronization, and the file is removed from their local workstation and again resides solely in the SOPHIA repository. All functions that are available in the web UI are also available via a REST-based API, allowing for simple and powerful integrations with other workflows. Thank you for joining us today for this high-level overview of Savartus SOPHIA. For more information or to schedule a personalized demo, please visit us at savartus.com.